Hi there. Have you wanted to create a computer game but don't know where to begin? Are you interested in how computer games are made? Well then, I have created a free Udemy tutorial just for you. You don't need to know anything about Unity or programming. You just follow what I do. Or, if you are just curious about how a computer game is made, watch the course videos for free. The course takes less than 2 hours to complete, about the time it takes to watch a movie. I am a 40-year programming veteran who will walk you through installing Unity on your PC, creating a Unity project, and setting up a simple layout for a text adventure. I will walk you through a quick trip down memory lane to show you how a text adventure was traditionally built in the past using only code. Then, I will show you a much quicker and simpler way you can do it using scriptable objects in Unity. With the modern approach, you just copy story text from a document provided in the course to story text slots set up in Unity. For scene-to-scene navigation, you simply drag scriptable objects into the appropriate navigation slots. All that is left is to write a few lines of code following what I do to bring it all together, and presto, Castle Buttercup comes to life. Once that little bit of code has been written, it never needs to be changed. At that point, creating text adventures is merely a copy-paste, drag-and-drop exercise. I will even show you how to create a standalone Castle Buttercup application you can run outside of Unity and share with others, just like any other text adventure you create using this system. So, click on the link in the comments below to access this free Udemy course and join me as we create the Castle Buttercup text adventure together. Please press the like button for this video and join my channel. That really helps me out. My name is Brian Koval, and I wish you all the best.